You see right here. Okay, that's why you say yeah. So it's definitely a deadbolt.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. That's it. Okay. Yep. SC4. All right. Little tight spot.
There we go. Thanks, man.
Oh yeah.
Let me just show you that I live here. I can show you pictures of like when I moved in.
Oh yeah.
I didn't have an address I could find, but
Call 839-056751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and indestructible locksmith in South Carolina.